In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a forum to your Wix website. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together to create a space for your community to engage and share ideas. First, we need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. It's where you can manage your sites, whether it's design, analytics, or adding new features like we are today. Now from here, look to the left-hand side of the dashboard and you'll see several options. What we're interested in right now is the app market. Go ahead and click on that. The app market is essentially Wix's store for all its additional features and functionalities that you can add to your site. It offers a wide range of tools that can complement and enhance your website's capabilities. In the app market search bar, type in forum, press enter, and you'll now see a list of forum-related apps that Wix offers. Next up, you'll want to find an app called Wix Groups. This is the app we'll use to set up your forum. Click on it, and don't worry, Wix has made this pretty straightforward. Once you've clicked, you'll see an option to add it to your site. Select Add to Site, and Wix will do a quick installation of the app for you in the background. You might need to allow a moment for everything to load properly. Now that Wix Groups is added to your site, you'll be prompted to create a group. This is essentially the backbone of your forum, so it's an exciting step. Click on Create Group. At this point, you have two options. You can either start from scratch or use Wix's AI to help you get started. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's opt to create it from scratch. It's always good to know how to build your foundation so you can customize it to your specific needs later on. We're moving right along. Choose the option for Create New Group to initiate this process. Here, you'll be prompted to fill in the necessary information about your new forum. Think about what will be most appealing to your audience and relevant to your community. Title your forum, give it a concise description, and upload an enticing image as a visual header. This is your opportunity to make a first impression with your new space. Once everything is filled out to your liking, double check all the details and then click Create Group. Congratulations, you've successfully added a forum to your Wix website. This is a fantastic step in building a community where your audience can share their thoughts and ideas. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for following along, and I hope your new forum becomes a vibrant and engaging part of your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.